Web design that works, boosting your conversions. In today's internet, your website isn't just a brochure. It's your most important salesperson. It works 24/7, it never takes a vacation, and for many potential customers, it's the very first interaction they'll ever have with your company. But here's the truth, a good-looking website isn't enough anymore. If it doesn't drive results, in other words, conversions, it's not doing its job. And by a conversion, I mean someone contacting you, inquiring about your products or services. This is John Eberhard, president of Real Web Marketing Incorporated. Let's explore how smart, strategic web design can dramatically increase conversions and turn casual visitors into loyal customers. 1. The real goal of web design. Conversion, not just beauty. A beautifully designed website can impress visitors, but aesthetics alone won't pay the bills. The primary purpose of any business website should be to convert, whether that means generating leads, making sales, booking consultations, or encouraging sign-ups. Effective web design balances form and function. It guides visitors naturally toward the next step using visual hierarchy, color, placement, and persuasive messaging. Every image, headline, and button should work together toward one ultimate goal, helping the visitor take action. 2. First impressions happen in seconds. Studies show that visitors form an opinion about your website and your company in as little as 0.05 seconds. That's all the time you have to make a positive impression. Your homepage must immediately communicate who you are, what you do, why the visitor should care. This means your headline, subhead, and primary image need to clearly state your value proposition. Don't rely on vague taglines. Instead, write something direct and benefit-driven, such as, "We help small businesses double their leads with professional, conversion-focused websites. Clarity builds trust, and trust leads to conversions." 3. Simplify navigation and structure. Confused visitors don't convert. One of the most common mistakes in web design is overcomplicating navigation. A high-converting website should have a clean, logical structure that makes it easy for users to find what they need quickly. Limit your main menu to 5 or 6 core items and organize your content in a way that makes sense for your target audience. Pro tip, add a clear call to action, CTA, in your header or navigation, such as get a free quote or book a consultation. When that CTA follows users throughout the site, it encourages them to act whenever they're ready. 4. Items above the fold. There is a term that comes from newspapers where the most important items had to appear above the fold. In the internet, the term above the fold means everything the visitor sees on the screen before they start scrolling. This is sometimes called the hero section. It's vital to put certain items above the fold today, including a clear headline stating the customer benefit, a subheadline expanding upon the benefit, some captivating visual, either a large still image or video background, a call to action, CTA, including a phone and response form. These rules are definite for landing pages, but I feel they are coming to be required for home pages and service detail pages too. 5. Design for mobile first. Over 60% of website traffic now comes from mobile devices. If your site isn't optimized for mobile users, you're leaving money on the table. Responsive design is essential. A mobile-friendly site should load quickly, display text that's easy to read without zooming, and use buttons large enough to tap easily with a thumb. Mobile visitors are often looking for quick information, like your services, phone number, or directions, so prioritize ease of access. 6. Speed is everything. Website speed directly affects conversion rates. A 1-second delay in load time can result in a 7% reduction in conversions. To boost speed, optimize image sizes, use modern compression techniques. Choose a reliable, fast hosting provider. Even the best-known hosting companies are sometimes terribly slow. Minimize the use of heavy scripts and unnecessary plugins. Tools like GT Metrics can help you test your site's speed and find areas for improvement. 7. Use persuasive benefit-driven copy. Even the most stunning design will fail without the right words. Your web copy should focus on benefits, not just features, and clearly explain how your product or service solves your visitor's problem. For example, instead of "We offer tax preparation services," say, "We help you save money and avoid IRS headaches with expert tax preparation." Powerful, customer-focused copy creates an emotional connection and moves visitors closer to taking action. 8. Guide users with strong calls to action. Your visitors won't take action unless you clearly tell them what to do next. Every page should have a primary CTA, whether it's "Schedule a consultation," "Get started," or "Buy now." Here's what makes a strong CTA. It's visible and stands out with color contrast. It uses action-oriented language. "Start my free trial" instead of "submit." It appears multiple times, above the fold, mid-page, and near the bottom. Testing different CTA text, colors, and placements can significantly improve your conversion rates over time. 9. Build trust with social proof. Trust is the foundation of conversion. People need to feel confident they're making the right choice, especially online, and especially when they've never heard of you before. Include testimonials, reviews, case studies, and trust badges like BBB, SSL, or industry certifications throughout your site. Real names, photos, and business logos make testimonials even more credible. Show visitors that others have succeeded by working with you, and they'll be more likely to follow suit. 10. Eliminate distractions. Clutter kills conversions. Every extra pop-up, banner, or piece of irrelevant content distracts visitors from your main goal. Keep your layout clean and focused. Use white space strategically to direct attention toward key elements like headlines and CTAs. Remember, every page should have one clear purpose. 11. Test and optimize constantly. No web design is ever finished. The most successful websites are continually tested and improved. Use A/B testing to experiment with different headlines, layouts, colors, and button placements. Study user behavior with heat maps and analytics tools to understand where visitors click, scroll, or drop off. Even small tweaks like changing a CTA color or simplifying a form can make a measurable difference in conversions. Conclusion: make your website work for you. A great website doesn't just look good, it performs. By combining strategic design, compelling content, fast performance, and user-friendly structure, you can transform your site into a powerful conversion engine. Remember, your website is often your first impression and your best opportunity to turn visitors into paying customers. Design it with purpose and watch your conversions soar. If you'd like a free website analysis, contact Real Web Marketing at 66144124229 or email info@realwebmarketing.net. And if you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.